Welcome to this video. This time we will show you how to become a better photographer on your iPhone. If there is no one around to take a picture of you or your group, then you can activate a photo timer. Let selfies not mirror your first preview with the mirror front camera function. When your iPhone is locked and you want to take a quick picture, just swipe left on the locked screen. If you are in the photo mode, but prefer a video, just keep pressing the camera button. You can drag the button to the locked position. Adjust focus on a specific item by simply tapping it. Another way to easily access video recording is by using the volume buttons. First, turn on the function in the settings menu. iPhone brings you a photo studio with only your phone. Use different effects on the portrait mode. Enjoy your first steps as a professional iPhone photographer.